everyone, I'm Xiao Meng. Customers often ask, how do you achieve such high quality and competitive prices with your equipment? Is there some magic trick or some advanced technology? The truth is much more exciting than you might imagine. Let's take a look at our new generation of products. Let's go. Welcome to our R&D headquarters. Don't be misled by the appearance of this office. The soul of every machine is born here. Huh? Why does this look like building a Lego? You can even swap parts.
If it were a real Lego, it would be easy. We draw and calculate at the same time, simulating and analyzing each component, solving the problem, and then analyzing and optimizing the results.
So you're training them in the office so they behave well once you're out in the field?
That's pretty much it. Once you've trained them enough in the computer, they'll be stable outside.
Okay. Let's stop fiddling around on the computer and go out and see what they can really do. This is the real battlefield. All the design features are now being put to the test in the field. From office design to field testing, every step is meticulously calculated. This is our core R&D strength. Our products are certified by CE, EPA, ISO 9001, and ROPS, guaranteeing quality, safety, and reliability. Next up, let's go back to the manufacturing department to see how these parts are transformed into real machines. Brother Zhang, I heard that new employees here can be quickly onboarded. Is that true?
Of course it's true. It's all thanks to the assembly line, the production cycle, and the process divisions, whereas previously one person needed to learn to assemble an entire machine. Now they only learn to assemble a single process. This reduces the amount of knowledge required. Combined with skills testing and the introduction of multi-skilled workers, people with high skills in key processes are assigned to improve quality control and reduce the error rate.
Wow, that's incredibly efficient. But speed alone isn't enough. It also needs to be stable.
Through standardized operations, each production worker is responsible for a specific production process. They conduct self-inspections during the process to identify and correct any problems immediately. Furthermore, different processes also conduct cross-inspections to ensure process quality. This ensures that quality is produced.
That's amazing, Brother Zhang. Who's that?
This is Engineer Li, our company's quality master. Quality inspectors conduct spot checks and inspections throughout the production process to monitor process execution and product consistency.
Awesome! I'll go meet him. Engineer Li, I heard you're our company's quality master. Let's interview you. Everyone calls you the god of quality. You must have some unique secrets to quality inspection, right?
Well, the secret isn't complicated. We adhere to the 3 no's principles. No defects accepted, no defects created, and no defects released. We won't let go until the problem is fully addressed, resolved, or the responsible individuals are educated. We also have a digital quality inspection system that allows all data to be traced through the system. We can trace its source and track where the same batch of goods was shipped.
This is what's known as tracing back to the source. Only by doing this can we truly impress our customers. Hey, now do you get it? It's not magic. It's precisely because of this standardized system that we're able to achieve continuous improvement.